Albino, Rodriguez, Salvador, Kibuloy sa Senado. 10-22 at 28, 30-34 at 38, 53-56 at 58, plus 42, Duterte straight. PDP laban straight, PDP laban straight, PDP laban straight, PDP laban, PDP laban straight, PDP laban straight, PDP laban straight, PDP laban. Para sa kinabukasan.
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako si Veronica Kitty Duterte, bunsong anak ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte! Una sa lahat, lubos na nagpapasalamat ako sa patuloy niyong pagmamahal at pagsuporta kay PRRD, sa amin na pamilya niya, at sa Duterte! I believe it speaks volumes on his strategic approach to trust these public servants to be the next leaders of the Philippines. I would like to thank you, the Duterten, for your unwavering loyalty, not just to my father, but to the Filipino people. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Your principles cannot be bribed with money, power, and influence. It will not be forgotten. It has been my greatest honor in my 21 years. It has been my greatest honor to stand and fight for my country, my fellow men, my family, and for my father, who loved me into the woman I am today. Bago siya kinuha sa akin, the night before it happened, magkatabi pa kaming natulog. I asked him, Dada, what's gonna happen to you? And as a father who didn't want his baby girl to worry, he responded with his usual phrase, Asus, wala yan, maniwala ka dyan. To my Dada Rudy, who will be watching this later, pinalangga ka ni Kitty, ayaw na kalimti. Know that I remain unafraid, unbent, and unswayed, just like you. Your battle is my battle. Mabuhay ka at mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Muli kong iaabot ang personal na mensahe ni Tatay Digong para sa bawat Pilipino. Sabi niya, exercise your right to vote and do so wisely. My warmest greetings of love to every Filipino. Mga kababayan, mga kabataan, 4 na araw na lang bago ang eleksyon. Huwag niyong ipagbili ang inyong mga boto. Ipanalo natin ang Duterte!